Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class, history class, unit 9. Okay, unit 9 only. I am going to continue. Okay, so already 3 classes over. Okay, 3 days over. This is the 4th day, unit 9. We are going to learn. Okay, under that, what are the things are given. First, we can recollect. Afterwards, today's portion I will explain. Okay, so under that 9.1, what are the things are given in the sense regarding Madras Mahajana Sabha we learned. Moreover, Madras Native Association. Yes, under that 9.1, Madras Native Association we learned. Madras Native Association, who was the founder in the sense, Gasalu Lakshmi Narasu Chetty, like that I told already. Is it in the year 1852, like that I told? Then under that B part, what is given regarding T. Muthuswamy, we learned. Is it Muthuswamy, who was he in the sense? He was the first Indian judge of the Madras High Court in the year 1877. Okay, regarding that persons we learned. Moreover, many newspapers also after that emerged. Hindu newspaper, Sudeshamitran, is it Indian Patriot, then South Indian Mail, Madras Standard, Desabhimani, yes, Vijaya, Suryodayam. So such a newspapers emerged those times. Okay, so the next one Madras Mahajana Sabha. Yes, regarding that also we learned who are the founders of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. Yes, who are the M. Veera Raghavachari, yes, P. Anandacharlu, as well as P. Rangaya, yes, Rangaya Naidu. Yes, those personalities, they were the founders of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. Yes, then, regarding that moderate leaders, okay, the moderate leaders, Dada Bhai Nauroji, yes, so those personalities and all we learned. Yes, at Tamil Nadu level also, we learned, yes, many members, we learned then K.T. Telang, Surendranath Banerjee, yes, so those personalities in all India level as well as in Tamil Nadu level, who are the moderate leaders in the sense, G. Subramaniam, yes, Rangaya, as well as Ananda Charlu, yes, those personalities. Then Congress sessions, is 3 sessions of the Congress party, it was conducted. The first session of the Congress, it was conducted at Bombay, like that I told. Second session of the Congress meeting, it was conducted in Calcutta in the year 1886, like that. Third one, third Congress meeting, it was conducted in Mackie's Garden. Mackie's Garden, in the sense everybody knows, that is a Thousand Lights area which is located in Madras. Okay, yes. Then, majority of the people from Tamil Nadu, from Tamil Nadu side, majority of the people, they were attended the Congress meeting. Nearly 362 members, they were participated in the Congress meeting. Yes, like that also we learned. Then, under that 9.2, Sudesi movement we learned. Sudesi movement, who was responsible in Tamil Nadu level in the sense, VOC, yes, VO Chidambaran. Yes, then V. Sakkarayar, yes, Sakkarayar, then Subramaniya Bharati, as well as Surendranath Arya. Yes, Surendranath Arya, otherwise called as Bhashyam. Yes, those personalities were responsible for the Sudesi movement in Tamil Nadu level. Okay, so then Sudesi Steam Navigation Company, which was established by V.O. Chidambaram Pillai. Yes, he purchased 2 ships. Okay, so what are the ships? That Galia is Galia as well as Lao. Those ships, it traveled in between Toothukudi as well as, Toothukudi and Colombo. Okay, Colombo in this one, Sri Lanka. Yes, then those things and all we learned already under that 9.2. Yes, then under that 9.3, what are the things we learned in the sense, non-Brahmin movement. Yes, non-Brahmin movement, who was responsible for the formation of the non-Brahmin movement in the sense 1916 is T.M. Nair and Tyagaraya Chetty. Yes, both of them, they were the founders. They were responsible for the formation of the non-Brahmin movement. Non-Brahmin movement, what is that in the sense? Excluding Brahmins, other caste people, everybody, they were gathered together against the Brahmins, but for the welfare of the non-Brahmins. So that is the non-Brahmin movement. Yes, they were, that Nadesanar, established a hostel like that and all. We learned, is it already? We learned, students. Then Justice Party. Yes, and then, the last classes, I told, I think so, 1921 election conducted, 1923 one election conducted, 1926 one election, then 1931 election, 34 one election, then 1937 on election is majority time, the Justice Party got a success like that. Finally 1937 Congress Party got a success like that also I explained. Then in the year 1919 Rowlatt Act, yes, Rowlatt Act, which was passed by the British Parliament, British government, British government. Yes, Rowlatt Act. Okay, so that one we learned, is it? So without without a warrant, without a trial, Indians can be arrested by the British officers. That is called as Rowlatt Act. Okay, then Rowlatt Satyagraha under that under the leadership of S. Satyamurthy. Yes, Satyamurthy. Yes, so those things and all we learned. Then moreover, one blue color box is there. Yes, regarding George Joseph. Yes, George Joseph, otherwise called as Rosapu Durai. Yes, Rosapu Durai. He was a lawyer. Actually, he belongs to Kerala, like the Dandal I told. But he came and settled in Madurai area. Yes, he worked as a lawyer, like that I told. Is it? Then next, what we learned in the sense, Khilafat movement. Yes, regarding Khilafat movement, what are the things I told in the sense after the completion of the First World War? Is that Turkey got a defeat from the hands of Britain and France. So Britain and France, they were humiliated the Caliph. Caliph who is a caliphs in the sense they were the religious head of the Muslims. Okay, Caliph is a religious head of the Muslims. So that personality, he was humiliated by the hands of Britain and France. That's what Indian Muslims, they were opposed against the activities of Britain and France. So that's what Ali brothers, Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Chaugat Ali, they were established Khilafat movement in the year 1919. Yes, so these are the things and all I told. In Tamil Nadu level, 17th April 1920, it was observed as a Khilafat Day in Tamil Nadu level. Moreover, which was the center of the Khilafat agitation in the sense Vaniyam body. This is the last classes and all I told. So that's a Muslims area. That's what Vaniyam body. Yes. Then under that 9.4, yes, 9.4, what are the things I told? A non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in the year 1920. In Tamil Nadu level, whoever participated, whoever involved, E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar, otherwise called as Periyar. Yes, Periyar, he provided the leadership, as well as Rajaji, otherwise called as Rajagobalachari. Yes, Rajagobalachari, he worked closely with Yaqub Hasan. Yaqub Hasan, who was he? In the sense, he was the founder of the Madras branch of the Muslim League. Yes. So what he thought in the sense, what Rajaji thought in the sense, Hindus and Muslims, they can cooperate closely during the course of the non-cooperation movement. So that's what he had a relationship with Yaqub Hasan. Then, no tax payment, no, need not pay the taxes like that. The common people should not pay the taxes like that, Gandhiji instructed. So that's what the people, they were boycotted everything. Yes, foreign goods were boycotted. They did not, they did not go to schools, even government schools and all, they were boycotted. The students were boycotted. Legislative council were boycotted, as well as lawyers also, they were neglected. They were boycotted. Yes, boycotted the courts. Okay, so these things and all we learned. Then, the Congress party was divided into two. Yes, the pro changes as well as no changes, like that I told. Then finally, Simon Commission. Yes, regarding the Simon Commission, also I told 1927. Yes, 1927, the British government appointed a statutory commission under the leadership of Sir John Simon. Yes, so why Indians were disappointed in the sense, in that committee, no one was the Indians. So that's what, Indians got angry. Moreover, when the Simon Commission arrived in India in the year 1928, the Indians, they were showed demonstrations against the British officials. Moreover, they were showed the placards. What is meant by placards? When they are conducting the procession, when they are conducting the meetings, they used to carry some boards. Is it, children? That is the placards. So these are the things and all I told already in the last class itself. So today, which one I am going to explain in the sense, in the under that 9.5 as well as 9.6, what are the things are given in your book, that only I am going to explain. Okay, so you can check it in your book, children, page number 110. Okay, towards Purana Swaraj. Okay, towards Purana Swaraj. Purana Swaraj, otherwise called as complete independence. Purana Swaraj, otherwise called as complete independence. Okay, children. Yes. So, Purana Swaraj in the sense, which year in the sense, in page number 110, you can check it, children. Yes, 110, you can check it. The Madras session. Yes, the Madras session of the Indian National Congress in the year 1927. Yes, 1927. 27 declared complete independence. Complete independence, otherwise Purana Swaraj as its goal. You can check it once again. Madras session of the Indian National Congress. Okay, so Indian National Congress in the Madras session, yes, especially in the Madras session in the year 1927 itself, they were declared complete independence. We need the Purana Swaraj, okay, as its goal. So in the year 1929, Lahore session of the Congress, they were met in the year 1929 under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, the Congress met at Lahore. Yes, it declared Purana Swaraj or complete independence for India as its goal. At midnight, what happened in the sense that is, it's not given in your book, children. Please listen carefully. At midnight on 31st December 1929. Okay, 31st December 31st. Sorry, December 31st. Okay, 1929. Okay, 29. What happened in the sense that tricolor flag was hoisted. Yes, tricolor in the sense, three-color flag, Muvarna Kodi. Yes, was hoisted on the banks of the river Ravi, as well as they were raised the slogan Vande Madaram, like that, they were raised the slogan. So consequently, January 26, 1930, the national flag, it was celebrated, January 26, 1930, it was celebrated as an Independence Day all over the country. So the Indian Constitution was formally adopted on 26th January 1950 to make this day memorable in our history. So this day is now celebrated as a Republic Day. So those days they were celebrated that day, 26th January 1930, they were celebrated that day as a complete independence or Purana Swaraj. But nowadays, so we are celebrating the same day as a Republic Day. Okay, so that is given in your book, children. You can find out. Okay, page number 110. Sorry, yeah, page number 110. It started, no? You can check it. The next, what is given in the sense, a B part, what is given in the sense, salt march to Vedaranyam. Is it the, when I was teaching that the last classes and I taught, I think so, is regarding Gandhiji's Dandi march from, Sabarmati ashram to Dandi. Yes, he conducted a salt march. Okay, in Tamil Nadu level, who was responsible? Yes, so Rajaji was responsible. Rajaji organized a salt march and led a salt satyagraha. Yes, so he led a march to Vedaranyam. Okay, so march in the sense, what is that? Procession, Urvala. Okay, so he conducted a march. Who conducted? Rajaji conducted a march to Vedaranyam. Okay, so Trichy to Vedaranyam. So the march started from Trichy. Yes, Trichy on 13th April it was started. 13th April 1930 it was started and they were reached Vedaranyam in Tanjore district, otherwise in Tanjore district on 28th April. Okay, so 13th April they were started from Trichy. Yes, so they were reached Vedaranyam on 28th April. Okay, a special song was composed. Yes, so when they were walked, the special songs also was composed by, that Namakkal. Yes, Namakkal Kavinger Ramalinganar. Okay, so what was the song in the sense? In your book it is given, children, a war is ahead, sans sword, sans bloodshed, join this march. What is that? In Tamil we learned? Yes, that's a Namakkal, Kavinger's song. Yes, Namakkal Ramalinganar. Okay, so Kathindi Yuttamindi Rattamindi Yuttamundu Varugudu. So that is the song. Okay, so that is the song. See here it is given, a war is ahead, sans sword, sans bloodshed, join this march. Okay, so those who like ahimsa, those who like satyagraha, please join this march. Like that, they were shouted when they were conducted the march. Okay, so kathiyintri ratthamintri yuttamundu varugudu. So that is the thing. A war is ahead, sans sword, sans bloodshed, join this march. Yes. So the next one, what is given in your book, children? Despite, okay, so despite a brutal crackdown by the police, because of the police attitude, the marching satyagrahis were provided a warm welcome. So even though, the police people, they were given more and more punishment to the satyagrahis, even though they are getting a warm welcome wherever they are moving. So that's a thing. On reaching Vedaranyam, 12 volunteers under the leadership of Rajaji, they were broke the salt law by picking up the salt. Sorry. So Rajaji was arrested. So that time, the Tamil Nadu level TSS Rajan, Rukmani Lakshmipati, Sardar Vedaratnam, and Swaminathan and K. Sandanam. So those personalities also were arrested. They were participated in they were participated in the salt march. So they were arrested by the British officers. So this one you can check it. Vedaranyam, that's a salt march. Okay, Vedaranyam salt march memorial. Okay, so Vedaranyam salt march memorial. Okay, so this is the thing. The next one, page number 111, you can check it, children. See part what is given in the sense. That Tamil Nadu fully, agitations were there against the British officers, British officials. The Satyagrahis at the Tamil Nadu level, under the leadership of T. Prakasam as well as K. Nageshwara Rao. Yes, they were set a camp. Okay, they were set a camp at Udayavanam near Madras. So, however, the police people, they were arrested them. It led to the Hartal. Is a Hartal in the sense, what is the meaning in the sense? Shops, everything, they were closed. Merchants, they were closed to the shops. So that's a Hartal. Okay, so the clashes with the police in Tiruvallikeni, which lasted for 3 hours, it was there. It was continued, on 27th April, 3 of them, three of them are left, 3 dead. Yes, 3 of them dead in that, volunteers who attempted to offer salt satyagraha in Rameshwaram. Yes, so that in Rameshwaram area also the people were arrested. Yes, those who are involved in the salt satyagraha. Yes, that's the meaning. Then mill workers struck the work. Okay, so they were stopped the work. So this ma'am, regarding this ma'am, I will tell now. Yes, regarding this person. Okay, so mill workers struck the work across the province. So women, the women, children, everybody, participated enthusiastically. What is the meaning in the sense? Eagerly. Okay, so with much interest, they were participated in the salt satyagraha, otherwise civil disobedient movement. Okay, so in the year 1930 it was happened, children. Then police people, used brutal forces to suppress the movement. Okay, salt satyagraha, otherwise civil disobedient movement. Okay, so moreover, this person, just before I told, Rukmani Lakshmipati. Okay, Rukmani Lakshmipati. So this ma'am, she paid the fine, penalty, like that it is given in your book, children. Penalty. Okay, so penalty in the sense she paid a fine for violation of salt laws. Okay, well, she paid a money, she paid a penalty, like that it is given for the violation of salt laws. So police people, they were used brutal forces to suppress the movement. Bhashyam, Surendranath Arya, otherwise called as Bhashyam, like that I told, as Bhashyam, popularly known as Arya, is a hoist. Surendranath Arya. Okay, Arya in the sense, Surendranath Arya hoisted the national flag atop Fort St. George on 26th January 1932. Yes, the next what is given regarding Tirupur Kumaran. Yes, regarding Tirupur Kumaran. Regarding Tirupur Kumaran, I am going to tell something, children. Yes, after that I am going to continue what is given in your book. Okay, so regarding Tirupur Kumaran, what are the things are there in the sense that this person, okay, Tirupur Kumaran. Okay, so Tirupur Kumaran, in Tamil and all you learned, I think so. Okay, he was born on 1904. Yes, he was born on 1904. Yes, where did he born in the sense? In Chennimalai. Chennimalai, where it is located? Erode district. Okay, Erode district in Tamil Nadu. He was a great revolutionary. Okay, this person, he was a great revolutionary. Moreover, he participated in the march against the ban on the national flag, and he died injuries sustained from a police assault. So the Kumaran, died holding the flag. He died holding the flag, even though, he was holding the flag of the Indian nationalists. So that's what he got a title, is Kodi Katha Kumaran. Yes, Kumaran is revered as a martyr in Tamil Nadu. What is meant by martyr in the sense Tyagi? Okay, so, the moreover, he got a title, Kodi Katha Kumaran. So the government has erected his statue in a park near the railway station in Tirupur. So when we are going to, when you are going to Tirupur area, you can watch, you can check that this person, Tirupur Kumaran's statue. Okay, so his original name, his original name, Kumara Swami. Yes, Kumara, OKSR, Kumara Swami, popularly known as, Tirupur Kumaran, fell dead holding the national flag aloft. So he is hailed as Kodi Katha Kumaran. So in Tamil you might have learned, I think so, children. Anyway, so I explained about this person. The next person, next what is given under that D part, in the sense the first Congress ministry. Okay, first Congress ministry. So first Congress ministry, which year it was formed, the ministry, in the sense in the year 1937. It's 1937, they were conducted the election. The last classes even I told, out of 11 places, is out of 11 places, 7 places, Congress party got a success. Okay, so the election, who formed the ministry, in the sense Rajaji, otherwise called as Rajagobalachari. Yes, so regarding Rajaji, I am going to tell some points. Okay, so Rajaji, he was born on December 10. Okay, December 10, 1878. Okay, 1878 at Thorapalli. Yes, it's the name of the place. In that place only he was born. Yes, he became a lawyer at Salem in the year 1898. Yes, so 20th years, 20 years old itself, he became a lawyer. Yes, so Rajaji, he joined the Indian National Congress and participated in the Calcutta session in the year 1906. He became a staunch follower, yes, Tiviramana, yes. So staunch follower of Gandhi. Moreover, he was participated in the Surat session when it was conducted, in the sense, 1907, Surat conference, otherwise Surat Congress. Okay, Surat session, it was conducted in the year 1907. In that meeting only, in that session only, Congress was divided into two, moderates as well as extremists. Okay, moderates as well as extremists. In the year 1930, he broke the salt law. He, in the sense, Rajaji, otherwise Rajagobalachari, he broke the salt laws at Vedaranyam. Yes, this person, he started a march, a salt march, from Trichy to Vedaranyam. So with hundreds of volunteers to break the salt laws. So moreover, in the year 1937, he won in the election. Okay, Congress party, he won, it won in the election. So that's what he formed the ministry. He became the chief minister of Madras presidency in the year 1937. He in the sense who? Rajagobalachari, otherwise called as Rajaji. Okay, yes, so during his administration, what are the things he told? Yes, what are the things, he did? Everything I am going to tell in the next para. Yes, so in your book, what are the things are there, in the sense in 1937 election, the Congress party emerged victorious. They got success. So this person, he got, he became the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. Moreover, the second para, you can check it, children. He introduced prohibition. Yes, what is mean by prohibition? What is mean by, he was against the alcohol. Okay, he was against the liquor. Yes, that is the prohibition. Okay, on an experimental basis in Salem. So Salem area alone, he started the prohibition. Yes, prohibition in the sense, banned the liquor. Yes, banned the, alcohol. Okay, that's the thing. To compensate for the loss of revenue, he introduced the sales tax. So this person, what he did, in the sense, in order to compensate the loss of revenue, he introduced a sales tax. So when the British government involved India in the Second World, so what happened? Unfortunately, that already I told, I think so, in the year 1939, without the consultation of the Congress ministries, the British people, the British government mainly, who was responsible for dragging the Indians into the Second World War, Lord Linlithgow. Yes, this person, this viceroy was responsible for the dragging of Indians into the Second World War. Okay, so because of that reason, the Congress ministry was resigned. Okay, so this much only it is given, children. The next, under that E part, what is given in the sense anti-Hindi agitation. Anti-Hindi agitations. They were against the Hindi because, so when he became the chief minister of Tamil Nadu, Rajaji, he became the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. That time, he introduced the Hindi as a compulsory subject in schools. Okay, Hindi is a compulsory language. Okay, compulsory language in schools, like that, he ordered. Okay, so the Rajagopalachari, otherwise Rajaji. So this was considered to be a form of Aryan and North Indian imposition, detrimental. What is meant by detrimental? In the sense, our people, the Tamilians, the Tamil people, how they were considered that plan of Rajaji, it was a harmful. Okay, it was harmful. It was a totally damaged Hindi. Hindi language will totally damage Tamil language, Tamil culture, like that. They took a meaning. Okay, so that's a problem. So he organized an anti-Hindi conference. Who organized? E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar, otherwise called as Periyar. He led a massive campaign. What is the meaning? Large campaign against the Hindi program. Okay, so he organized an anti-Hindi conference at Salem. So it formulated a definite program of action. So that time, scheduled caste, SC Federation and Muslim League extended its support to the anti-Hindi agitation. So no one like Hindi those times. Okay, so Natarajan and Talamuthu, these two enthusiastic agitators, they were died in the prison itself. Okay, so in our book it is given, page number 112. You can check it, children. Natarajan as well as Talamuthu. Yes, those two personalities, those two enthusiasm with much interest, they were agitated against the Hindi language. They were died in prison. A rally in the sense, what is that? March, otherwise a procession. Okay, procession was organized from Trichy to Madras. So more than 1,200 protesters, including Periyar, okay, were arrested after resigning the Congress ministry. Is the who came into power in the sense, the governor. Okay, so the governor rule came into power. Yes, the governor rule came, that time. So that governor removed Hindi as a compulsory subject in schools. Okay, so this much only. Then moreover, in your book some points are not given regarding whom? Rajaji. So I am going to tell that points also. So this person, Rajaji, he became the first Indian Governor General of Free India in the year 1952. Okay, moreover, he formed the ministry in Tamil Nadu. Yes, he formed 1952, he formed the ministry, yes, in Tamil Nadu. During that time, he introduced again Kulakalvi Thittam. Yes, Kulakalvi Thittam. Yes, again, it was opposed by Kamaraj as well as Periyar. Okay, so Kulakalvi Thittam, what is the meaning of Kulakalvi Thittam? In the sense of, for example, is my father is a fisherman. In the sense, I need to go that fishing level only. Fishing only I have to do. Yes, other works, I should not do. So that is the Kulakalvi Thittam. So, but it was opposed by Kamaraj as well as Periyar, EVR. Okay, and at last, Rajaji resigned from the chief ministership in the year 1954. So later he resigned from Congress party also, and finally he founded, otherwise established, Sudandhara party. So which year he established Sudandhara party? In the year 1959. Yes, he established Sudandhara party. Moreover, this person Rajaji, he wrote number of books. Okay, number of books he wrote. Yes, what are the books are there? In the sense, Chakravarti Thirumagal. Yes, Chakravarti Thirumagal. Then Vyasar Virundu. Yes, and moreover, commentaries on Gita as well as Upanishad. What is the meaning of commentaries? In the sense, in Tamil you might have learned, is it திருக்குறளுக்கு உரை எழுதியவர்? Yes, you know. Is it பரிமேலழகர்? Yes, so likewise and all you learned, no, commentaries in the sense உரை எழுதுவது. Okay, so commentaries on Gita as well as Upanishad. So in the year 1955, yes, 1955 he was awarded, yes, he got a award. What award? Bharat Ratna. Yes, in which year? 1955. Yes, 1955 he got a 1955 he got a award, that is Bharat Ratna. Yes, then moreover he died on December 25, 1972. Yes, his name, his title Chanakya. Yes, Chanakya, this was the title he got it for his diplomatic skills. Okay, so these things and all, it is not given in your book, children. So that's what you have to understand. That's what I told. Okay, then under that 9.6, what is given, that quit India struggle, in the last classes itself I told, in the year, August 8, yes, August 8, 1942, yes, August 8, 1942, Gandhiji announced, yes, immediately the British people have to withdraw from India. I'm not going to be satisfied with anything short of complete independence. We shall do or die. We shall either free India or die in this attempt. Like that in the last classes and all I told, I think. So this resolution, when it was when it was passed in the 8th August 1942, yes, so immediately, yes, the British people, they have to withdraw from India. Likewise, so who passed a resolution? Gandhiji. Yes, so that is given here. The entire Congress leadership was arrested, yes, because of this Quit India movement. Quit in the sense, immediately they have to exit from India. Immediately they have to go out from India. Yes, they, in the sense, British people have to go out from India. So otherwise, do or die. Yes, Gandhiji gave the slogan, do or die. Yes, the entire Congress people were arrested at overnight. K. Kamaraj, yes, K. Kamaraj, while returning from Bombay, he came from Bombay. So that time, what are the things happened? Like it is given in your book. So when he came from Bombay, noticed that at every railway station, the police waited with a list of local leaders. They were waited, police people, in order to, for arresting the local leaders, they were waited with a list. But what happened in the sense, Kamaraj gave the police the slip and got down at the Arakonam itself. He escaped from the police and he got down at Arakonam itself. Yes, so he then worked underground and organized the people during the Quit India movement. Yes, underground works and all he did. The last classes and all I told, Aruna Asaf Ali, yes, Usha Mehta, those personal, Jayaprakash Narayan, yes, those personalities, all India level, they were worked, the underground works and all they did against the British. So in Tamil Nadu level, who did the underground work against the British officials, K. Kamaraj. Okay, yes. So the next, what is given in the sense, undying mass movement. The people, the Tamilians, the Tamil people, they did not get tired. Yes, they did not get tired. So all sections of the society, all the sections, all the caste people, they were participated in the Quit India movement. So there were a large number of workers strike. Okay, they were conducted many strikes. Yes, strikes in Buckingham and Carnatic Mills, as well as Madras Port Trust, Madras Corporation Limited, as well as Electric Tramway. So those personalities, everybody, they were participated in the strike against the British officers, students, because Gandhiji and other leaders were arrested because Gandhiji passed a resolution on 9th August 1942. Yes, so students of various colleges took active part in the protest. So many young people, men, women, also joined the Indian National Army. Indian National Army, who was the founder? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so the Quit India movement was suppressed with the brutal force. Okay, so anyway, the Quit India movement, it was suppressed, like that it is given. Moreover, this next para, it is given. Yes, those things and all already I taught, I think so, children. Is the last lesson, 8th lesson itself I taught. Royal Indian Navy mutiny. Yes, the Royal Indian Navy army people, even they were against the Britain. Okay, British government, but that time only what happened in Britain in the year 1946. Okay, in the year 1946, Labour Party got a success. Okay, Labour Party leader who became the prime minister, Clement Attlee. Yes, he was in favor of India. Okay, he was in favor of India. So, he sent a cabinet mission in the year 1946 under the leadership of Sir A.V. Alexander, Patrick Lawrence, and Sir Stafford Cripps. Okay, so those personalities and all came into India. Yes, the cabinet mission. Under that cabinet mission, I told many things, I think. So, children, so these are the things are given. Okay, so that cabinet mission came into India. Now those people only, a committee recommended federal government, a constituent assembly should be elected to draw up the future constitution of India. Till the constitution was ready, interim government was appointed. So when they were appointing interim government, that Nehru, yes, Jawaharlal Nehru, he asked help from Jinnah, but Jinnah refused. Yes, refused. That's what, who became the leader of the interim government in the sense. Nehru became the leader of the interim government. He became, Jinnah became adamant in the demand of Pakistan. Hence, a partition of India became inevitable. Yes, inevitable. Otherwise, unavoidable. Yes, unavoidable. Yes, those things are given. Yes, then shall we mark the question answers, children? Yes, you can take your book, all of you. Page number 113. Page number 113. 113. Number 1, first answer, Rangayya. Rangayya. Second one, 1,000 lights. 1,000 lights. Third one, Annie Peasant. Third one, Annie Peasant. Fourth one, Satyamurthy. Fourth one, Satyamurthy. Fifth one, Prakasam. Fifth one, Prakasam. Sixth one, E-Road. Sixth one, E-Road. So this much only, choose the best answer, children. Then next I am going to tell about the fill in the blanks. This is the answer. First one, T. Muthuswamy. You can note down by checking my video. You can note down the answers. T. Muthuswamy. T. Muthuswamy. Second one, Bharata Mata. Bharata Mata. Neelakanta Brahmachari started a secret society, namely Bharata Mata. Third one, the Dravidian Association Hostel for non-Brahmin students was established by C. Natesanar. C. Natesanar. Then fourth one, Dash formed the first Congress ministry in Madras. C. Rajaji. C. Rajaji. Yes. Then fifth one, Yaqub Hasan. Yaqub Hasan. He was the founder of the Madras branch of the Muslim League. Yaqub Hasan. Sixth one, Bhashyam. Sixth one, Bhashyam. Okay. Yes. Then Roman letter 3. Roman letter 3. First answer, A. Option A is the correct answer. First one. Next one also, option A is the correct answer. Then match the following. Match the following. MNA, Madras Native Association. Madras Native Association. Torture Commission. Torture Commission. Torture Commission. EVR Periyar. EVR Periyar. Vaikam Hero. Vaikam Hero. SN Somayajulu. Somayajulu. Removal of Neil statue. Fourth one, Salt Satyagraha. Vedaranyam. Salt Satyagraha. Talamuttu. Talamuttu. Anti-Hindi agitation. Anti-Hindi agitation. So these are the things are there. Yes. The next one. Very limited questions are given in this lesson. Okay. Learn. Roman letter 5, first one guide answer you can follow. If you have the doubt, you can ask me. Okay, when they are conducting interactive session, the doubt area, doubt clearing area is there now, so that time you can ask me. Okay, so the next one, 107 and 108 page number alone you can copy down. After that I will ask you to mark 107 and 108. Third question 108 alone. Third question 108 alone. The next one, discuss the first one, 107 page number 107. Second one, guide answer you can follow, because in your book it is not given. Okay, that much level I explained, it's not given here. You can follow the guide. Second question. Third one 111. Third one 111. Now we can mark fifth Roman letter. First one guide answer you can follow. Page number 107, take it. 107, take it children, everybody. 107, Tirunelveli uprising, the first line onwards. 107, page number 107. Second question I am marking. Tirunelveli uprising para, first line onwards. First line onwards till the para, that para is going to be end, from that, third line before. From that three lines before. 3 lines before. Okay, rule, French rule, till that. 5-2. 5-2. Okay. Then 5-3 answer 108. Antecedent para, second para, thus no need, when the onwards, till the para end. Till the para end. Okay, so that is the third answer. Then Roman letter 6. Roman letter 6. Sorry, the first one 107, page number 107. Page number 107 or 107. Sudesi movement para. Sudesi movement para, first para full. Then response in Tamil Nadu para full. Till Sudesi navigation, steam navigation company full. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 paras you have to learn. So first one introduction, that is Sudesi movement. First question I am telling children. First question I am telling. Sudesi movement, page number 107. 9.2. Under that introduction is given, that one full. Response in Tamil Nadu full. Sudesi steam navigation company full. 6-1. Then this one I explained. Okay, if you have the doubt you can ask in the interactive session. Okay. Then third one 111. Page number 111. Third one. Today I explained, I think so. Salt march to Vedaranyam. Salt march to Vedaranyam. Such a way one para is there now. One para is there now. 6-3. First line onwards. The heading onwards. Okay, heading, side heading. With that side heading only you have to write point wise. Not para wise children. Point wise only you should be right. Okay, 2 marks also like that only. Point wise only. But you need not apply any numbers. Okay, you have to apply one dot enough. Okay, first point 1 dot, second point under that 1 dot, third point 1 dot. That's all. Okay, such a way. Need not decorate your papers unnecessary. Then, that B part I told, is it? So that one till C also. C part, widespread agitations in Tamil districts till 1932. Till the end of the line, till the end of the para. Okay, 26th January 1932. 6-3. 6-3. Okay children, when you are getting time, you have to find out the time and then learn. Okay, give equal importance to all the other subjects. Okay, homework I am telling. 8th lesson fully you have to learn, including essays. 8th lesson, because the next this month we have the plan to conduct one test. Okay, the portion history 8th lesson and 9th lesson I will include. Plus I have the plan to teach civics lesson. Next I have the plan to teach the civics lesson. Be ready everyone. Okay, the map answers I did not give any practice like that, you need not think. Okay, because after the completion of the portions, anyway January school will reopen. Okay, so that time I will teach. Otherwise, we will find out the time. We will find out the time, and then nearly 2 or 3 weeks even I can teach the map answers. Okay, you don't worry regarding that. Whatever we are completing that and all, you have to learn. You have to find out the time and then learn. Okay, children. Yes. Then homework eighth lesson like that I said. Is it eighth lesson fully you have to complete it. Okay, ninth lesson also over. So eighth lesson complete it. After that ninth lesson. If you complete in the sense ninth lesson you can start. Okay. Yes, don't waste your time, children. Learn. Thank you.